Hi guys, this is Rahul and you're welcome to gomahamar.com. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to fix destination not working in your Google Ads account. This is the major problem most of the Google Ads account face. Some of the times it's easy, some of the times it's very complex. So now let me explain you what are the things which you need to do to fix the destination error. When this client comes to me, he said the site is working fine, but still Google saying the destination not working. Fine. So sometimes what happened, the Google bot is failed to crawl these pages. So in that cases, the destination error will come because I don't know, there might be some issue in the hosting, so there might be some issue in the site. So you need to do a debug. I'll tell you exactly what you need to debug. So first you are aware that destination issue is that I can show you now, and I'll show you the live how it's got approved from the Google side. Now I'll take you to the hosting. So once you are inside the hosting part, you need to find here mod security, and you need to enable it. Once you open that, you need to first turn it off. Let's say if any of the site is there, you turn it off and check whether our bot is able to crawl this page or not. Okay, this is the first reason. There might be chances that your bot is not able to scan it. Even if your page is not loading, let's say if this page is showing 404 error, then you need to go to your campaign, go to your ads and edit the ads and place your new URL which is working in your Google Ads, and then appeal it, it will start working. If this page is live but still Google says your destination cannot be found, means there's an issue from the bot side. So whenever the bot side happen, then you need to fix from mod security, then you need to fix from the stxs file. So once you are there inside the stxs file, click on edit, and you need to check whether the bot was blocked in your site or not. Because here I found one rule, someone added it, he blocked the bots from the stxs file. Okay, and one more thing, you need to check from the robot.txt file. So here is the robot.txt file. You go to your website and inside a public underscore HTML, you'll find a file called robots.txt, and here you'll find whether the user agent is allowed to that page or not. If it is blocked from these options, Google will not able to crawl it. So you need to fix it by doing debug. So once you do the debug, it will get resolved, and there's no straightforward method. These are the points which you need to check to fix the crawler part. Finally, you'll see the ad campaign is now eligible and everything is working fine. So there's no issue from the client side. So now once the client make payment for the overdue, his ad account will be eligible now. In case if you need any help in fixing your Google Ads, you can connect GoMahamaya at any time. We are always available for you. I hope you find this video useful. If you did, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more further updates. Thank you.